Hey fashion lovers, welcome to the Fashion Try-On. If you want to support our channel, please be sure to like and subscribe. And if you like any of the items you see, be sure to check the description for links and discounts. Today we are unboxing the coveted Louis Vuitton Takashi Murakami Pochette Accessoires. Now this is probably the most nostalgic bag of the collection, at least for a lot of people, given that this is the bag that was worn in Mean Girls by Katie Heron. Now this packaging came with some extra goodies, so I'm really excited to share them. So first of all, we did get the ribbon and we did get the panda swing tag. The panda swing tag is my absolute favorite. I really like the panda motif and I love that it is pretty sturdy and really big. So I've seen a lot of people have used these as a bag charm and I'm thinking of doing the same. Now we also got the ribbon, which has all of the collections on there. I do have a theory that they might be releasing an extra one. And then we got this really cool box with, a cutout, and I believe it has like a star motif or a flowergram motif right in the center. So that was a really unique find. Now taking a look at our Pochette Accessoire for the first time, I am really in love with this print. Now, ironically, we have unboxed a lot of the multicolor on this channel. However, I haven't seen like a full bag in the multicolor print yet. So this is the first one that I'm seeing and it just is so crisp. Now, I will note that the bottom kind of has like the material popping out and I wonder if that is going to relax with wear or if I can kind of mold it into place. It doesn't bother me too terribly much, but I just did want to call that out. I have seen a lot of other unboxings of this bag and I do think that that is standard. So there are some questions of like quality and whatnot. Just note that that is what this bag looks like. So I'm not going to be up in arms. I'm just kind of noting it for you. All right, now the top of the bag. I do have studs along the top of the bag inside that vachetta. And I want to note that I think on one of the promo photos, it had a bow on the top of the pochette. And I wish that they did that. They did not end up doing that. But just keep it in mind that it is blank on the top. Now, this is the wristlet that it comes with, this like extra little piece of vachetta. What I think you're supposed to do, and trust me, this is just a thought, is like connect it together and then connect it on one of the ends. But what I've also seen is that you can thread the loop all the way through so that it connects on one side and then clip it onto the other side. And that is probably going to make it a little bit more usable. It's going to make it into a shoulder bag. Now, let's take a closer up look at the hardware. So this does come with a chain. The chain is pretty long. I am going to clip it on so you can see just how long it is, but it can also be a strap or just a piece of decorative energy on the bag. So I do think that this is a really lovely touch. The bag is about $2,100 in the US. So coming with this extra little piece here feels appropriate. It feels like at least you're getting, an additional piece to dress up the bag. Now, all of this together, I'm not sure I would wear them all three together. I would probably wear this most likely with the chain and forego the strap, but that's just my preference. I do think it gets it, a little bit more dressy and makes it a little bit more of a moment, a little more modernized moment. But again, that's me. Now on all of the hardware, you do have a lot of other details that say Louis Vuitton, like on the rings at the end of the bag as well. And then inside, of course, you have the 20th anniversary patch right there. Now let's go ahead and see how much this fits. So it does fit an iPhone X. So this is the 10 iPhone. It is not a Max and it is not a Pro. It's just the regular 10. So keep that in mind. But just to give you some sort of idea of the size, it does fit a lot. So that's all we have for you with this unboxing. Let me know what you think of it in the comments below. Thanks for watching.